Imagine a pure, radiant light, so brilliant, so perfect, glowing with such an intensity and beauty that it contains within itself the very essence of creation. As this light passes through a prism, something miraculous happens. What was once uniform and indivisible suddenly transforms into 7 distinct colors, revealing 7 different layers of depth, complexity, and divine understanding, each representing a unique but unified aspect of the whole, a living, breathing manifestation of divine intelligence that existed before time itself. This is how the wisdom of the Most High, the Spirit of YHWH, reveals itself to us, through 7 different aspects that are all part of one divine whole. Now, these aspects, they overlap, they intertwine, they all work together to guide us into all truth. Hello, friend, and welcome to Under One King. In this video, we're going to explore the 7 spirits which are before the throne of the Most High. These spirits, revealed in the Bible and prophesied in the book of Revelation, Isaiah, and Enoch, shine forth from the eternal light of the Creator. And just like the 7 colors of the rainbow, they bring us deeper insight into the heart of the Most High and His perfect plan for humanity. Before the mountains were settled, before the foundations of the earth were laid, wisdom was there. Before the depths were brought forth, wisdom existed. In fact, before the heavens were established. The Bible tells us wisdom was with God as a master craftsman, delighting in His creation. She was there in the beginning, setting the stage for everything that followed. And as we dive into the scriptures, we'll see how this wisdom, it's alive. It's the very breath of the power of the Most High, a pure reflection of His glory. A spotless mirror, though it is only one, it can do all things, renewing, transforming, penetrating the very essence of creation. Now let's imagine that beam of white light again. When it hits the prism, it separates into 7 distinct colors, each representing a unique spirit of the Holy Spirit. These are the 7 spirits of YHWH revealed in Revelations and Isaiah 11, each unique yet perfectly harmonious. The Spirit of YHWH, the very essence of the Creator, His presence in our lives, guiding us with His power and glory. Next is the Spirit of Wisdom, the divine insight that directs our lives, helping us to understand the mysteries of everything. And it tells us how to do it, when to do it, and what to do. The Spirit of Understanding, this gives us clarity, helping us grasp deeper truths and navigate life's complexities. The Spirit of Counsel, the guidance we receive to make wise decisions, helping us align our paths with the will of the Creator. The Spirit of Might, which is the strength to endure and overcome, enabling us to face challenges with courage and power. The Spirit of Knowledge, which is the deep understanding that comes from knowing the ways of the Most High and His truth. The Spirit of the fear of YHWH, of His awesome greatness. This is the reverence and awe before the Creator, knowing that the holiness and the majesty, there was no one like Him. Each of these spirits are distinct, but together they form the fullness of the Creator's perfect wisdom, just as the 7 colors of light together form perfect, pure, white light. As we look a little deeper, we understand that wisdom, it's an embodiment of the Most High's presence. Though it is one, wisdom has many aspects, 7 in particular, and can work in ways that we cannot fully comprehend. The sevenfold spirit which is before the throne of Elohim, which is in Revelations chapter 4. I am the reflection of eternal light, a spotless mirror of the working of the Creator, and an image of His goodness. Wisdom calls out, its cry is to all humanity, Seek me as you would seek silver. Search for me as you would for hidden treasures. Wisdom is calling. It stretches from one end of the earth to the other, ordering all things well. It dwells in the highest heavens, yet it seeks to make her home in the hearts of those who are willing to listen, to seek, and to understand. See, wisdom is more precious than jewels. Its fruit is better than gold. Its yield more valuable than choice silver. It walks in the paths of righteousness, endowing those who love it with true wealth. Not just material, but spiritual, intellectual, and relational. The Holy Spirit brings wisdom, and that wisdom guides us into all truth. And just like the light that touches the prism and separates into 7 different hues, the Spirit of wisdom touches our hearts and our minds, illuminating our paths in life. And as we seek wisdom, we are filled with understanding, and with counsel, and with might, and with knowledge, and with the fear of the greatness of the Most High Creator. The Scriptures teach us that to seek wisdom with all of our hearts. Proverbs tells us to search for wisdom as if we're searching for hidden treasure. Why? Because wisdom is the key to life, favor, and righteousness. Length of days are in her right hand, and blessing and honor are in her left. Whoever finds me finds life, and obtains favor from Yahweh. But whoever fails to find me injures himself. All who hate me love death. And here's the most extraordinary revelation. This divine wisdom is not distant or reserved only for a select few. It is being poured out on all flesh. It doesn't matter your age, your background, or your status in life. It is for everyone. The Creator pours out His wisdom on all who call out to Him, and on everyone who is willing to listen if they only but have an ear. The Spirit is available for everyone. The same wisdom that was with the Most High at creation of the world is now here, ready to co-inhabit with us and to guide us into all truth. As we seek wisdom, we receive a special relationship with the Most High. Wisdom makes us friends with God, and we become partakers in His divine plan for the world. For she says, I walk in the way of righteousness, in the paths of justice, endowing with wealth those who love me, and filling their treasuries. So, will you seek wisdom? Will you open your heart to the Holy Spirit, who brings this perfect wisdom to you today? Remember that just as a beam of light breaks into 7 colors, each aspect of the Creator's wisdom is a reflection of His perfect light. And while each part is unique, altogether they form a complete whole, bringing us into greater understanding, greater power, and deeper intimacy with the Most High. The invitation is clear. Seek wisdom, seek the Holy Spirit, and let His divine light shine upon you. The wisdom of the Most High, the Creator, Yahweh, is available to everyone. So will you answer the call? If you like this, you know what to do.